Having trouble with a black screen on your Panasonic TV? Figuring out how to fix Panasonic TV black screen issues can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through some troubleshooting steps to get your TV back up and running again. Whether it's a minor setting adjustment or a more technical fix, you'll find solutions to bring your screen back to life. Step 1. Check the power supply. The first thing to do when faced with a black screen is to check the power supply. Ensure the TV is plugged in securely and that the outlet is functioning. You can test the outlet by plugging in a different device to see if it powers up. If everything seems in order and the screen is still black, try unplugging the TV for a few minutes before plugging it back in. This can reset internal settings and potentially solve simple power-related issues. Step 2. Examine the remote and input settings. Next, verify the remote control and input settings. Start by replacing the batteries in your remote to eliminate any issues related to weak signals. Then check if the TV is set to the correct input source. Press the input or source button on your remote to cycle through available options. It's possible that your TV is displaying a black screen because it's set to an inactive input. Step 3. Inspect cable connections. Loose or damaged cables are a common cause of the black screen problem. Examine all the cables connected to your TV, including HDMI, coaxial, and power cords. Make sure they are securely plugged in and not visibly damaged. If you suspect a particular cable might be defective, try replacing it with another one. A faulty HDMI cable, for example, can disrupt the video feed, resulting in a black screen. Step 4. Adjust picture and power settings. If the screen remains black, dive into the TV's menu and check the picture settings. Depending on your TV model, you might need to press the menu button on the remote and navigate to picture or display settings. Ensure that the brightness, contrast, and backlight settings are appropriately adjusted. Simultaneously, check the power settings to ensure that the sleep timer or eco mode isn't shutting down your display prematurely. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. A factory reset can be a powerful tool if the previous steps fail to resolve the issue. Access this option through the TV's settings menu. Be prepared for the process to erase any custom settings. Look under System or General Settings for the Reset or Factory Reset option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset, which will divert your TV to its default settings and can resolve persistent software glitches. Step 6. Evaluate the warranty or contact support. If none of these steps work, check if your Panasonic TV is still under warranty. If it is, contacting Panasonic support or returning it to the place of purchase might be your best bet. For televisions out of warranty, consider reaching out to Panasonic's customer support for advice. They can offer professional guidance or service options that may not be available otherwise. Dealing with a Panasonic TV black screen can be a hassle, but by following this guide, you have a multifaceted approach to troubleshooting and resolving the issue. From checking power supplies to performing factory resets, each step will help you diagnose and potentially fix the problem at hand. Always ensure safety first by unplugging the TV during certain procedures. Remember, professional help is always available if required. With patience and the right guidance, you'll enjoy your favorite shows in no time.